Welcome to Cook with Pictionama. I'm Madhushri and today we are going to do another traditional Bengali recipe with koi mach. I believe it's known as climbing perch in English, but koi mach is found all over Bengal and in several of the bordering states as well. It's typically had in winters. Winters you will find really good quality koi mach. Now there are two varieties of koi mach that you will get in the market. One is the hybrid variety, which is it's quite fat and thick and very fleshy, and the other one is the local variety, which is this. We call it Deshi koi. And no matter how fat the other one is, don't be tempted to buy that because this has far better taste than the hybrid ones. Today we are going to be making tel koi. Now tel koi can be made in several ways. There are so many recipes online, there are so many books with different recipes, but what I'm going to do is something which has been passed down by my grandmother. It was very commonly made at our home, especially in winters. This is about 500 grams of koi mach. I'm marinating this with a little bit of salt and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now rub the salt and the turmeric powder on all the fish. When you're buying koi mach from the market, you will see that they're normally sold live, and that's what, it's always fresh. And when you get them cleaned, make sure that they have removed all the scales. There are very small scales and it's a mess when you're eating, so make sure that all the scales are well removed. Now this is done. You can keep this for about 10 minutes and then we will fry this fish. While the fish is marinating, we will quickly make the spice paste or the base for tel koi. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chili powder over here. 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. To this we are going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. We will also add, this is about 2.5 tablespoons of mustard paste, which is strained black mustard paste, but you can also use yellow mustard paste if you have. We will also use some tomato paste in this. Now this is completely optional. Tomato paste is not something used traditionally. My grandmother never used it, but my mother uses a little bit of tomato paste, and why not? In winters use ripe red tomatoes. So I'm using 1 small tomato paste in this. I've added a couple of about 1.5 tablespoons of water in the bowl where the mustard paste was. You don't want to waste any mustard paste, and I'm adding this to this. Just mix this. This is the base of tel koi. Take a kadai and add about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let the oil become really hot. Now the oil has become smoking hot. We will very carefully add the fish to this. I'm covering this. Koi mach is so fresh that when you put it in the oil, it literally jumps out. So I always prefer covering it for a little while and then uncover and then flip the fish. I have also reduced the temperature to medium, and once both sides are just lightly, it's not a very deep fried fish, it's just very lightly fried, you take it out. In the same hot oil, add another couple of tablespoons or maybe 1 tablespoon of oil. Let this heat up. We're going to add the spice base in this hot oil. Reduce the temperature a bit, otherwise it'll just spit up. And stir it. I will of course wash off the bowl with a tablespoon of water and I'll add it to this. Stir this over a medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes or until all the raw smell goes off and oil starts to leave from the sides. Look at the richness of this gravy. After about 6 to 8 minutes of cooking the spices, they are more or less cooked and the raw smell is gone. So I'm going to add the fish back into this gravy. This is normally a little mako kind of gravy, but then what I also do over here is that I add more oil on this. If you have too many people at your place, like my home, we have got about 7-8 people eating this, so I would add just about half a cup of water in this. I'm adding very little water because I want a little bit of gravy to this. Not even half a cup, just about a 1/4 of a cup. Oh, look at the color. Beautiful. I'll add some salt and another, maybe drizzle about very little oil just to give that pungent hit. I will now cover this and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Ah, look at that gorgeousness. Finally, I'm going to add just a couple of split green chilies just for the flavor. Telko is right now done. It just looks very beautiful. Enjoy this with a plate full of rice. Incidentally, Anindya has never had telkoi before his marriage to me. And the first time he tried it, he was totally blown by the taste. Do give us feedback how you like this recipe and let us know if there's anything else you would like us to cook. In the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this recipe with your friends and your family.